Score, 700 points, 14 times max combo, 93% accuracy. I didn't write a single line of code to make this game. I typed one paragraph. Before you assume this is another AI website playing dress up as an app, it's not. This is RapidNative, and it generates actual React Native code, the same code a real mobile engineer would write by hand. Here's why that matters. Apple has a rule, Guideline 4.2, built specifically to catch apps that are secretly just websites wearing a costume. If your app is a browser tab in disguise, Apple rejects it. This thing is built specifically to dodge that rule. Founder, designer, product manager, doesn't matter. That's the actual pitch. It hooks into real phone hardware, camera, GPS, Face ID, push notifications, things a browser physically cannot touch, no matter how good the website is. You can hand it a screenshot, a document, or just describe an idea in plain English. I went with option 3, full spec, dark mode, a whole leaderboard system built in. And I'm timing exactly how long this takes. Here's what I actually typed, not make me a game, the real thing. Color hex codes, screen flows, stat card layouts. That's it. That's the whole spec. And 290,000 prompts shipped on this platform already. I'm just one more. And obviously, terms and conditions. Did I read it? No. Nobody has ever read one of these. Ever. Setting up the project, configuring the workspace, installing dependencies. That last one's the tell. Websites don't install dependencies, real software does. This is the workspace. Chat on the left where you talk to it, an empty phone frame in the middle where the app actually shows up, and 5 credits sitting up top. We'll get back to that. The AI plans out loud before it touches anything, starting with the database table, basically the part of the app that remembers things, like your high score, then all the screens. Tables created, green check, done. Then it just starts writing files, layout first, then the main menu screen. Now the game arena screen. This is the one that matters. This file has to track hits, combos, timers, collisions, actual game logic, not a template. So here's what actually got built. Main menu, high score, rank, a big green play button, game arena sitting there waiting, and a full leaderboard, podium, avatars, rankings, 3 screens, real navigation between them. Now let's actually see if the game works. Time to actually play it. Go. Targets start dropping, and I'm just tapping, hit after hit, tracked instantly on a game that didn't exist 6 minutes ago. 700. That's the number from the start of this video. This is that moment right here, live, no editing trick. Round 2. Same 15 seconds. Let's see if I actually got better at this. Quick start, 45 right out the gate. Same swipe bonus shows up. Grab it. Multipliers already at 2. Combos climbing. 6 streak, 8 streak, 320, 10 streak, another bonus card. Timer's out. 540. Turns out playing worse the second time is also a real feature of this app. Nobody put that on the landing page. The free plan gets you 20 credits a month, 5 a day max. What you just watched, icon, 3 screens, 1 autofix, already eats into that in a single sitting. Build something genuinely polished with real back and forth, that's closer to 80 to 120 prompts. So, realistically, if you're actually building something, not just poking at it, you're looking at the pro tier, $49 a month. That's where this stops being a toy. But here's the actual headline. I'm not a developer. I typed 1 paragraph, and by the end of this, there was a real, working mobile game with a database, a leaderboard, and gameplay that didn't exist 20 minutes ago. Was it perfect? No. It broke once. It fixed itself. My second run was somehow worse than my first, but none of that required me to know what a database even was going in. That's the whole pitch.